drinking coffee because I'm ready to eat lunch. Given to us by my sister-in-law, by Ellen from SNR. It's the premium fried peanut flavor, super garlic. Ang sarap yun guys. You need to try this one. Ang sarap. So garlicky. And I'm also editing my video. It's December 24, right? By the way. I'm done. Isa na lang yung kulang kong gagawin is like the chicken. Yung mother yung magluluto ng chicken. Masarap siya girl. Lamig. Diba? Yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly edit this one. Kasi today is Monday and I haven't had any video tonight. Hello mga friends! Today is December 24. It's Christmas Eve. I just finished taking a shower. It's already 5 in the afternoon. Yeah, hindi na ako nakapag video earlier kasi I was doing something because you know it's already December 24. And I have a clip on like kanina when I was looking so gross and ewy. Yeah, and yun. So it's almost Christmas. Ilang hours na lang. It's going to be Christmas. And yeah, I took a shower and tonight we are going to eat dinner like may around 9 kasi magsisimba pa yung iba. But I will not be going to church tonight. I will be going to church tomorrow na. Ayan, looks so gross because my hair is so white. Ayan, so what else? Yeah, I'm just going to kasi hindi pa ko, I still have one more chores to do. So I'm gonna cook the chicken wings kasi yun yung din yung isang ano ba, I'm so excited for dinner. And then yun kasi kami ng mga my brothers and sisters nagpatla kami for tonight kasi December 25 is also mother's birthday, so we will be celebrating Christmas and her birthday as well. So ayan, we will be together. It's just sad na yung I don't know if kung sasali yung mga cousins ko, pero let's see kasi hindi sila, I don't know if they have work. Yeah, kasi yung mga outsource minsan may work sa 24. So let's see if kung makapag-celebrate sila together. So I'm gonna hustle guys kasi it's already 5 and I really need to start cooking the chicken wings. So see you later. Grabe, I'm still not finished. Ang dami pa ng chicken kaya hindi pa ako na-finish. Yeah, it's already 7:30 na and di pa rin tapos pagluto. My God, so matatapos kaya ang konti na lang naman. Ito na lang yung kulang. This batch is this one, medyo nasunod. And then ito yung second batch, and yung ito binake ko yan guys, but yung ito pinay ko na lang kasi hindi na kakayanin ng oras. Hindi na siya daw mainit yung oven kaya yan nangyayari. Tapos I still have this. Tapos meron pa dito, diba? Tapos dito, so tonight ko na lang, the rest of this I'm going to try. But masarap sana yung ganito. Crunchy kasi siya pag ganito. Tapos meron pa din dito. So, oh my God, friends! Yun lang ako natapos. It is 10 to 9. Finally, nagsimba pa sila. Kaya, okay pa, mga 9:30 pa siguro matapos yung yung mass. But yeah, nandito kami ni Rookie. Yung nagsimba si Baba lang, tsaka si Mother, tsaka yung brother ko. So yeah, nandyan na si Lechon. Grabe, ang init today. Or maybe because nagluluto kasi kami kaya mainit. Wow, I really like the Christmas tree. It's so beautiful. Pati doon yung Finally, Christmas na. Ilang oras na lang. It's almost 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 hours na lang. Less than 3. Oh, no, really. Not less than 3 hours. 3 hours na lang. And it's soon to be Christmas 2018. I'm gonna show you guys my Korean style chicken wing. Korean barbecue pala. Korean barbecue chicken wing because yung share namin sa salo-salo tonight is we made shrimp and then cake ni mother, tapos cupcakes, tapos macaroni salad, tapos mango float, tapos gumawa din ako ng Korean barbecue, chicken wing barbecue. Yan, I'm gonna show you. Yay! Excited! Here is it's my first time making this one. I just followed the steps. Ay, ang pangit tingnan sa video, but in person it looks so tasty. So that's how it looks like. I only followed sa tasty na ingredients, and ayan yung the rest of the sesame seeds. I'm not nilagyan ko na konti, but when I serve it later, I'm gonna sprinkle more of the sesame seeds. So ayan, and sabi ni Rookie masarap daw kasi sabi niya, can I taste this? And paulit-ulit siya. That means na masarap kasi paulit-ulit niya, dami niyang nakain. So yan, yay! I still have gifts. I look so weird here. I still have, gifts pala na hindi ko pa darap, guys, para kay Mother. Oh my god, it's her birthday, so nakalimutan ko. So I'm just going to quickly wrap it para ito lang naman eh. Yeah, quickly kasi hindi pa sila dumating. Ang ingay naman sa labas. Nasa church pa sila, so I'm just going to quickly wrap it. Oh, grabe. Oh, diba? Wala pa sila. 9:30 na. I knew it. Matagal talaga sorry for my crazy hair. I haven't, really, I just curled it. So, pinapakul ko muna, guys, para wala lang. I'm looking like Goldilocks. Ayan, so nakapagbihis na ako kasi I don't want to change clothes sana, but nabasa sa while cooking because today I'm a cooker. I'm not a hairstylist anymore. I'm a cooker. Diba cook? Diba singer? Oh. Cooker. Abli na, open the lechon na so we can see. So ayan, ang init. Grabe, why is it? Yung mga dumaan na mga araw, hindi mainit. But, bakit ngayon lang mainit? Abli, lalagyan na. You don't know? So, wow, ang pangit ng resolution. Ganyan tayo kasi para maganda yung resolution. Tagal naman nila. I think, mga 10 pa matatapos yung mask kasi Christmas mask, diba? Matagal talaga yung magtapos. I'm planning to get na may niluto, but wow, look at my hair. So, I'll be back, guys. I'm just going to go on this one. Here's the lechoner. Tagatanggal ng pila din na yung lechon, sir. Kuya, din na kuya. Pila din na yung lechon. Kamao ka? You don't know how to tanggal the
Kaon ng plastic.
Oh, kaon ng plastic, kaiwi guno. I'm gonna help you. Uy, tapos na tayo mag-video. Buyer.
Kaon ng plastic.
Kuha da plastic.
Kani kaon na ni, dili.
Kaon man na, di ba? Kay nig-ad-ad, di ba? Kaunon din na ni mag-appeal.
Kaon man gud oily.
Ay, ana na ng plastic.
Ikaw
Say
din,
hi
kisama ka.
to the ground.
Kisama ka, sir.
Ikaw dahil, kisama ka.
Si May Mendoza. Sheldon Richard na ang
Happy birthday to me.
Okay.
Happy birthday to me.
May diri ka sa Mela siya.
Wala ka daw kasi ang tami. Ayaw ipagawas. Ayaw pag-buwad. Sagad man ka. Bye-bye. Napa, magay mana, oy. Oh, mana.
Ay, mo dito yung pagbuntak pa rin sila.
Nauwi, pagdali, nauwi.
Bes, nga mahimo ko doon niya.
Ha? Kuya, kunin mo. Kunya daw siya. Sige na, oy. Nalanay na. Uy, sige na, ma. Mana ka, blow? Ngano kasi ka man na? Nagtuon na, Jude. Mat of the... Oh my God. That's all left of the lechon. Oh my God, the lechon.